When I decided to get sober, it wasn't because I hit rock bottom. Actually, I hit a lot of rock bottoms, but none of them really gave me the wake-up call that I needed to actually quit. One day I just realized that I was capable of so much more. I felt like I was always being told that I had a lot of potential. I got really sick of being told that I had potential. I wanted to be told that I was amazing, that I was surpassing my potential. And I realized that alcohol was severely holding me back from that. I decided to take a complete year off of drinking, and it changed my entire life. I threw myself into the gym, and after a month I finally decided that I wanted to compete, which is something that I had only dreamt about ever since I started lifting like 10 years ago. After that, I realized that I could actually accomplish things, and I could actually make my dreams a reality just by trying hard and giving my all into every single thing that I do. From there, I just kept going. I decided to move to Maui, which is something I never thought that I would do. I quit the corporate world. I became a personal trainer. I became fully self-employed within my first year of training. And it's all because I made a decision to live up to my potential. And now I spend every single day trying to surpass my potential, trying to push myself beyond those limits. And it's exciting, it's scary, it's exhilarating, but really it's what keeps me alive. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. That was the best decision I ever made.